How to allow or unallow video downloads on the REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to control whether people can download your videos on the REDnote? In this video, I'll show you how to allow or unallow downloads of your content with just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. The first thing that you need to do is open up your REDnote app on your device and make sure that you are already logged in. Next, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. And from here, look for the settings option. It's usually a gear icon. And once you tap on the settings, you will be able to access your account settings. And in the settings menu, find and tap on the privacy options. So just tap on privacy settings. And here under interactions, you will find all of these different options. So you'll have this option, allow downloads on my videos. So let me show you how it looks on your video. So if you have the settings allowed, what you need to do is if people are able to share the video, then they are also able to download it. So they will see the save to album button right here if they tap on the share button. And once you do that, if you want to unallow it, just tap on privacy settings and toggle this option off. Now, once this is off, people won't be able to see this message. So if they tap on share, they won't be able to see this. I'm able to see this because this is my video, but no one else can see this video download option. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.